Welcome back to English Massive Golden Corner with me, Miss Dian. Are you sometimes wondering whether to say easier or more easy? Or are you unsure whether you should say more popular or less popular? If yes, stay tuned because in this lesson we are gonna talk about comparative adjective. We will end our lesson today with an exercise so you will have a better idea of how to use comparative adjective. Let's get to work now. Before we talk about comparative adjectives, make sure you still remember about a noun and adjective. Let me remind you, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. For example, this is a marker. A marker is a thing. I am a person, my name is Dian, I'm also a noun. Right now, we are in a building. A building is a place. A building is also a noun. If a noun is a person, a place, or a thing, an adjective is a something, or I should say a word that describes the noun. For example, this is a marker. If I call this a blue marker, a blue is adjective. Or if I said this is a colorful marker or a dull marker, these are also adjective to the noun marker. Now that you know about a noun and adjective, let's get to the main lesson about comparative adjectives. So we have some rules when it comes to using comparative adjectives to compare two things. When an adjective such as this is one syllable or one bit, we need to "er" to it when we want to compare two things. Look at this table. Cold becomes colder, hot becomes hotter, tall becomes taller, old becomes older, rich becomes richer, and poor becomes poorer. Let's take a look at this example. This plate is new. This plate is old. So I add "er" to the adjectives when I compare them. So I can say, this plate is newer than this plate, and this plate is older than this plate. Okay, so we have talked about how we add "er", which is pronounced "er", to the adjective that are short. What about with longer adjectives? Adjectives that are more than 3 syllables or more. For example, we have 3 words that have 3 syllables such colorful, serious, popular, and difficult. So when we have longer words that have more than 3 syllables, we use more or less when we want to compare them. Here is another example. Can you make a comparison using the word serious? I have 2 examples here and I want to compare them. This man is more serious. This girl is less serious. So the main lesson is, if it's 1 syllable, use "er". If it's 3 syllables, use more or less. And if it's 2 syllables, use "er" or more or less, or sometimes you have a choice to choose. Other than "er" ending or more or less, there are also irregular comparative adjectives, such far becomes farther or farthers, many or much becomes more, good becomes better, or bad becomes worse. We have a quiz that you can take at the end of this video so you can practice this skill some more. Here it is. Go make your own 3 sentences using comparative adjectives other than the examples that have been mentioned or with these words: angry, gentle, and desirable. Type your answers in the comment box below. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and take care!